Our company is established in 1996. In 2002, we have started to produce and to manufacture transformers on our own. Nowadays, and we have expanded the capacity up to 10,000 pieces annually for 1 year. Here, as you can see, is our battery and the storage kit from which we supply our electricity for the production.
The main problems that were faced by LEMI Trafo were grid instability. Their night shifts and additional power was needed, and they didn't have enough power from the grid. The batteries are able to supply this additional power for their additional shifts and machines. And also because all the machines, they have this frequency converters that if you don't support them with stable energy, they will break. That saves a lot for them. The combination between the different systems, they enable to cover completely the required energy for the factory during the day and night, and it also at the same time helps LEMI Trafo to be able to sell the excessive energy during the night hours when the prices are very high. Battery containers of REPT are working efficiently since 2 years around the clock without any problem. So they can guarantee a stable feed to the factory machines, cannot do any damage to the sensitive sensors or frequency converters. That's very important.